Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Huel subscription. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and cancel your Huel subscription. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Huel. Next, click on your profile icon, then go ahead and click on My Subscriptions. Now, towards the bottom here, you can click on Manage Subscription. And if you scroll down even more, you'll actually be able to see this button here that says Cancel Subscription. So if you click on Cancel Subscription, this will go ahead and cancel your Huel subscription so that you no longer receive it on a month-to-month basis. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and cancel your Huel subscription. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.